Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 20 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, access menu, find calendar and click on it. Now you need to click on this icon at the bottom right corner and just got it. After that, tap on the month above, pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. From here select event and customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature by clicking on the switcher next to all day. You can also set up location, pick color, take notes and even adjust set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before. When you're done, click save at the top right corner and as you can see my event was successfully created. If you wish to get rid of it, you can always click on it, tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select delete, then delete it one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!